Hello everyone, in today's video we'll take a look at the best laptops for graphic design in 2021. If you're on the hunt for the best laptops for graphic design, then you've come to the right place, as we've gathered together the top laptops of 2021 that are ideal for graphic designers. No matter your budget, every laptop on this list is powerful enough to handle demanding graphic design programs. Thanks to their powerful components, they can drastically reduce the time it takes to perform intensive tasks, and that can have a big effect on your workflow. After all, the faster the laptop can complete tasks, the faster you can finish your project. If you're a professional graphic designer, that then means you can take on more clients. The best laptops for graphic design on this page aren't just for professionals, however, we've got picks for beginners and students as well. Students should also check our best student laptops guide. With all the options out there, it's understandable if you feel unsure of where to start. If that's the case, watch this video till the end and you'll find handy pointers on what to look for when choosing a laptop for graphic design. Let's get started with the 5 best laptops for graphic design right now. Number 1. MacBook Pro. 2019 model. The best laptop for graphic design overall. It may come as no surprise that a Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop is our pick for the best laptop for graphic designers. Apple's MacBook Pros are hugely popular with creatives and graphic designers thanks to their excellent build quality, design and power, and the 16-inch MacBook Pro is the pinnacle of this. It comes with a larger screen than previous 15-inch models, which gives you more space to work with, and the increased resolution means your work will look its absolute best. Even better, Apple has been able to increase the screen size while keeping the slim and light design that we've come to love about MacBooks. Not only did Apple give this MacBook a larger screen, but it also updated the hardware inside as well, fitting it with powerful Intel's processors and professional graphics cards from AMD. Which again makes this an excellent purchase for graphic designers. Even though this model came out in 2019, it's still a brilliant laptop that performs extremely well, and that's why even in 2021, this is the best laptop for content creators, designers and other creative professionals, with amazing and loud speakers and a much better keyboard to boot. Number 2. Dell XPS 15. 2020 model. Dell's best laptop yet. While our top pick for the best laptops for graphic design are MacBook, what if you want to stick with Windows 10? Thankfully, the Dell XPS 15 is a brilliant alternative to Apple's laptops. Packing powerful mobile components in a thin and light design that's stylish and robust, along with a stunning 15.6-inch display and a discrete NVIDIA graphics card. This is a laptop that's perfect for graphic designers who are going to be using this laptop for intensive creative work. Best of all, its battery life is excellent, which means you don't have to be tethered to a desk if you want to use this powerful laptop. Number 3. Gigabyte Aero 17 HDR XC. A powerful laptop for graphic design. New for 2021, the Gigabyte Aero 17 HDR XC is a brilliant laptop for graphic design thanks to its cutting-edge components, including a 10th generation Intel's processor and new NVIDIA RTX 3070 laptop graphics card. This is one of the best mobile GPUs in the world, and it means the Gigabyte Aero 17 HDR XC can easily handle graphic design tasks and apps without breaking a sweat. However, its best feature for graphic designers has to be the stunning 4K 17.3-inch screen, which supports 100% of the Adobe RGB color gamut, essential for anyone who requires color accuracy in their work, and the display has been Pantone calibrated as well. It really looks amazing, and it offers a far higher resolution than even the mighty 16-inch MacBook Pro. It also feels robust and built to last, and comes packed with ports, allowing you to plug in all of your must-have peripherals without needing an adapter. It is expensive, however, so graphic designers on a budget may want to look elsewhere. Number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad P1. This amazing laptop and well worth the price. The Lenovo ThinkPad P1 is a brilliant graphic design workstation for high-level content creators. With options for Intel Xeon processors and pro-grade NVIDIA Quadro P2000 graphics, along with up to 64 GB of RAM, this is an extremely powerful laptop. In fact, it offers the kind of performance you'd usually expect from a desktop workstation, but in a portable package that allows you to work on the road, or travel between studios. This machine sports a sleek design, with a slim chassis and a 4K display with 100% Adobe RGB coverage. The screen alone makes it a joy for creative work, but with all the performance it offers too, the ThinkPad P1 is a seriously good laptop for graphic designers. It also offers plenty of ports as well, including 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 3, an HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort and SD card reader. It's very expensive, but for demanding workloads, it's definitely a great investment. Number 5. Huawei MateBook X Pro. The Huawei MateBook X Pro is an excellent graphic design laptop from a brand you may not usually consider. Huawei is perhaps best known for smartphones in the West. But the Chinese company has also been making some brilliant laptops recently which can go toe-to-toe with more established brands like Dell and Apple. For less money than its competitors, you get a gorgeously designed laptop with an excellent screen that puts many more expensive laptops to shame. Huawei has also fitted this entry into our list of best laptops for graphic design with some excellent mobile components, which means Windows 10, and any creative apps you rely on will run brilliantly. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.